In this video, I am going to teach you step by step how to create a verified Exness account on your mobile phone. If you are interested in trading on the forex market, then Exness is the best and beginner friendly broker you can use to start trading. To create an account, you have to go to my video description. You will find the link there. You have to click it and you will be directed to the Exness page. You will see a register button below and you have to click it. Now, first you have to choose your country like this. My country is India and I have selected India. Then you have to type the email address you want to register with Exness. Next, you will type a password. You can type your name or anything you want, but don't forget it. After that, you will see the partner code options. You can find the code in my video description, so please check it. Then click below to continue. After a page opens, you don't need to do anything right now. Just skip or close this. Then you have to go to your Play Store or App Store and in the search bar type Exness. You will see the app there. So download and open it. After opening the app, you will see two options, register and sign in. You have to click the sign in button. After that, you have to type the email address you used to register your account on Exness and the password you just typed. Then click the sign in button. After signing, you have to set a password. So choose the 6-digit number. I will choose 123456 and it will ask you to re-enter it and I have re-entered 123456. Now you have to verify your email address. There is a send me code button and you have to click on this. You will get a 6-digit OTP code in your email and you have to fill up the code here. I will fill up the code I received in my email. After filling up the code, it will ask your phone number. You have to enter it. After that, you have to click on the continue button below. Again, you will get a 6-digit OTP code on your phone. I have filled it up and both my phone and email are verified. Next, you will see add profile information and you have to fill in same of your information here. Your first name, your last name and below your date of birth in day, month and year format. Below that, you have to choose your region. For your residential address, you have to fill in your full address according to your government ID, passport or driving license. Then choose your gender. After that, click the continue button below. After that, it asks what is the purpose of opening your account. Here you can see investment, hedging, speculation. I will choose investment. After that, it asking please select your source of income and wealth. I will choose saving. After that, it asks what is your occupation or industry. You have to choose what your occupation is, what you do. So I will choose the education option. After that, I will click the continue button. Now it asks please select your total wealth including cash and bank account balance. You can select an option according to your balance. I will choose less than $5,000. After that, it asks what is your employment status. It means whether you do a full-time job, a part-time job, if you are self-employed or a student. You can select any option according to you. And I will choose student. After that, it asks what is your yearly income after taxes. Here you can choose any option according to you. I will choose 0 to 5,000 US dollar. After that, it asks, do you have trading experience with a real money trading account during the last 3 years? If you have trading experience, you can select that option. Otherwise, select have not traded. After that, it asks how long would you need to master the trading skills. You can select any option. After that, it asks what is the anticipated monthly income you are prepared to invest in Exness. It means what percentage of your monthly income you want to invest in Exness. And you can select any option. I will choose up to 25% of my monthly income. After that, it asks what are your plans on trading within 1 year. Here, I will choose become a full-time professional trader. After that, it asks what trading instruments do you plan to use. You can select anything like metal or forex, and if you trade crypto, you can select it. But I will choose forex and click on continue. After that, it asks how do you know about Exness for the first time. Here I will select YouTube and then click the submit button below. Now You have to verify your document. First, please check that your name matches your document. If it is wrong, you can easily edit it here. After that, I will click on the Upload Document button below. Here, you can see the document types you can verify. And the first is a passport, then a driving license, and Aadhaar card, a voter ID card, and a PAN card. Please select the document you have. I will choose this one. Below, you can see it is telling you to upload a clean photo like this. It will not support blurry or cropped photos, so do not upload them. For document verification, you have to upload the front of your document first. I will click here. You will get both camera and gallery options. You can select from the gallery, but I will choose the camera. As you see, I am clicking a photo of my document. And now you have to select the OK button. And you can see my photo is uploaded. You have to upload the backside of your document in the same way. After this, you can see a submit option below. So please click on it. After that, you will see the message that's saying your document are under review. If you uploaded the document properly and it matches your information, then the verification process will be completed within 3 to 7 minutes. Sometimes it also takes 24 hours to finish the process. So please wait until you get a notification. And after that, you can deposit funds to start trading. I will tell you about the deposit process in my next video. So stay tuned.